Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter with the latest installment in our Newsmaker series, and joining me today is Jay Miller. He's the small business executive for the Central Region for Bank of America. Jay, thanks for being here.
Thank you very much for having me.
So Bank of America has been hiring small business bankers across the country. You've hired 30 here in the Chicago area alone. With the exception of just improving relationships, what are you trying to achieve here in the Chicago area with these hires?
We're really trying to reach out and touch small businesses that, for us, by the way, we define as from 250,000 in sales to about 5 million in sales. Really reach out to the small businesses and help them with their financial needs.
Now, one of the things about Chicago, of course, is that it's a hyper-competitive banking market. You guys have been doing some advertising here locally along the lines of small business. The one I saw featured the founders of the Boca restaurant group. What are you doing to hold on to customers like that in this competitive environment?
Well, I think give them absolutely top-notch service. Make sure we're going out and talking with them proactively about their business, understanding what they want to accomplish, what their goals are, and how we might be able to assist them with that. A lot of it is having talented people decked against the market and making sure that we're not just reactive, but that we're actually really getting to know the ins and outs of their business.
Your CEO has been quoted as saying you want to be more aggressive in making loans, but a lot of small businesses have been wary on taking on more debt with the recovery being uncertain. Have you seen any change there? Are small business owners locally here starting to become more confident in the economy?
Yeah, absolutely. The confidence numbers have moved up quarter over quarter, year over year. In May, we actually had our best lending month ever in our area here in Chicago. We're seeing June kind of following the same path. We think it'll probably eclipse May. It is a matter of having more confidence. I wouldn't say that people are overly confident, but they've seen enough sustained improvement to say we ought to be back in the marketplace, and whether it's buying property, whether it's buying equipment or hiring employees, they're starting to open up their minds to that idea, because you hit it right on the nose at first. Our number one issue has been loan demand. I mean, we're eager to lend money, but folks have been self-policing, particularly in a place like Chicago, where you have businesses I think are run fairly conservatively.
Any plans to add more bankers in the coming months?
Yes, absolutely. We've actually gone from about 30 to just around 36 right now. We cover most parts of greater Chicagoland, but we are seeing where we've got some areas that maybe we don't cover as well. We added 4 bankers to the south side of Chicago recently. High traffic areas, lots of small business generation. That's been pretty exciting. They're doing very well. So I'd say as we continue to have success, we'll continue to try to hire. This is a great area for the bank, and so if I need the resources to add people, I can get the resources to add people.
All right, Jay Miller, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks very much for having me. I appreciate it.